This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by securing your session. Save files, quit apps, and disconnect USB drives so disk utility targets the internal volume. If you have Intel, you will use specific key combos. If you have Apple Silicon, the startup options differ, so confirm your model now. Once done, plug in power and make sure you know an admin password. You do this to avoid accidental changes and to ensure the Mac boots cleanly into recovery without peripheral interference. You now start the recovery sequence. On Intel Macs, restart and hold Command+R until the Apple logo appears. Use Option plus Command+R for internet recovery when needed. On Apple Silicon, shut down, press and hold the power button until startup options appear, then select Options. Once in Mac OS recovery, choose Disk Utility from the Utilities window. Make sure to set View to show all devices so you can see physical drives as well as volumes. This is essential for full repairs and formatting. You finish by deciding whether to repair, erase, or reinstall. First, run first aid on the physical disk and every volume. Rerun until it reports no errors. If erasing, select the top-level disk, not just a container. Click Erase, choose Apps for modern Mac OS or Mac OS Extended for older systems, name the volume, and confirm. If you plan to reinstall, quit Disk Utility and choose Reinstall Mac OS. Keep your network active. If recovery won't load,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.